Hello, and welcome to High Score Labs series on Acquia Drupal 8. This is episode 1.1. We're going to be installing Drupal 8 using the Acquia free cloud solution. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to open up your browser and go to acquia.com/products-services/acquia-cloud, and it'll take you to the Acquia Cloud sign up page. You can click try for free. And just go ahead and fill in the form and put all your information in to sign up for an account, and they'll send you an email. You can log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. And once you have your account information, you can just go ahead and enter it into the sign in page like I'm doing, and then click sign in to go to the cloud dashboard. And once you get here, you just want to add an application, because right now I don't have any applications. So I'm going to click add new free application and put in a unique application name. It has to be unique across the Acquia cloud, so it'll let you know if it's not. Just click the license and hit accept. And now you're here, and it's going to go ahead and provision the application. It's going to take about a minute or two to provision, so just let it do its thing, and then it'll say it's done. And then you can go ahead and click go to application once it's finished. And it will take you to the main applications dashboard. And from here, you can see your different environments. You have your dev server inside the main environment. You also have your staging server, and you have your production if you sign up for the subscription. So so we'll go ahead and click dev just to go into the dev server. And we're going to want to install our Drupal code base here. So you just want to scroll up to the top, and there's a little button for install Drupal. Click that. And you want to choose your distribution for the installation. We're going to use Drupal 8, so we'll click install. It'll want you to say go ahead and install. It'll do the database code and files. It's going to ask you if you want to overwrite. It's going to go ahead and do that, and then now you see that it's being imported. So give it about a minute or two to finish the import of the Drupal site, and then once it's done, you'll see it show green, and the little activity will go away. So now we're here in the dev environment. You can click the link, and it'll take you right to the Drupal 8 install in your browser, the install wizard. So just like before, we're going to go ahead and click the language and standard profile for installation. And this is going to do just like we did in the last video on the local dev desktop. And it's going to put in all the modules and install Drupal as normal. And then once it's complete, we'll go to the site configuration just like before. And you're just going to put in site name. I'm going to go ahead and put in my cloud Drupal 8, and then just put in whatever email address, because this is a dev environment, so it's not actually going to be using the email address, but normally you'd put that in as yours. I'm just going to use admin as the username, and I'm going to put in just a simple password. I want to make it a little bit more strong because this is in the cloud. So, but it is still protected behind Acquia's cloud edge. So we're going to choose you're going to choose your area, your region, and your time zone, just like before. And I'm going to check on don't receive emails because it's a bogus email anyway. Save and continue. This takes you right into your Drupal 8 congratulations install page, the home page, and also you're logged in as admin, the super user 1, and yeah, so it's pretty easy to install on the Acquia cloud, and you get so many benefits of using the Acquia cloud. From just, you have SSL over here, you got logs and insights. You got of course, your code is all Git repositories. You can go back to the main application environment, and you got your dev and stage. It's kind of cool because you can drag databases or files in between. If you want to move it from dev to stage or vice versa, you can. And click on that. It takes you back into the dev environment. And yeah, so you can do backups on your database. You have your files. You can click when copy whatever's there. So, and then there's also your IP address for DNS. You can point your DNS to their IP, and you can access it through a host name. Also, what's cool is if you open up your Acquia Dev desktop, you can see, if you open it back up from last video, you'll see that there's a host this site on Acquia Cloud button. If you click that, it'll actually migrate your local dev environment or your server and code base up to the cloud version. So that way you can have best of both worlds. If you want to work without the internet, and then you can move it up when you have access, or if you just like the speed of working locally, you can do that. So it's pretty neat. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it was pretty easy for you. High Score Labs, here at High Score Labs, we have many years experience working with Drupal. Please reach out to us either on the YouTube comments or just email us to let us know if you need help with setting up any Drupal solutions. Also, we're an Acquia partner, so if you have any Acquia needs or want to learn more about Acquia's products and services, just reach out to us, and again, we can help. Thank you for watching, and stay continued for our future videos.